Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to discuss that how you can create an account on Welive video chat and meet application and how to use the certain features of this application. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. First thing you need to do is to go to the Play Store or App Store and search for Welive, download that application and install it on your device. Then you need to tap on Open the application. Once you open the application, you will see the first interface, and from here you can use your Facebook or you can use Google, or there are more options as well if you tap on that one to begin your account with. So I will choose Google. So once you tap on Google, if you have more accounts on your device, it will open a list, and from that list you can select any of your Gmail account to create this account. So once you tap on that one, it will bring you here. From here you need to select your gender and then tap on next. Here you can select your nickname. So I will choose a nickname first, and then you need to enter your birthday. So guys, once you selected your username and then your birthday, you can even select a picture from your gallery for your profile. But if you don't want to add a profile picture at the beginning, you need to just tap on Start. So once you tap on Start, it will bring you to this interface, and they say they would like to have access to some of the permission. You need to allow some permission. You need to allow this one. And here is a click to match. The first interface that you will see is just look like this. So guys, this is the first interface that you will see. Here is the bottom is the menu. As you can see, you can explore, you can go to any profile. From there you can add that profile and you can chat with them or have a free video call with them as well. So here you can just search, just scroll down and you will find many profiles here. Here are the countries that you want to select the profile from. There are many countries available here. You can tap on others to access to other countries as well from here. So this is the one option to explore. The next one is if you tap on the camera, the video option here, you need to just tap on free and it will connect you to any random account which also want to have a video call. So you need to just tap on click to match and then tap on free, and you will be connected to another person to have a video call. Next thing is if you tap on the messaging option here you will find all your messages, or if somebody calls you, you can find the calls here as well. So the next thing is if you tap on your profile, here you can edit your profile by tapping the pencil option here. You will see your information of your profile here. You can go and verify your account from there as well. Here are some other options. You can earn credits and your packages, my level, you can check your level as well. If you want to see the app settings, just tap on that one. You can change the app language. You can go to the account settings as well. Camera beauty, there are some other options, privacy options, and the block accounts if you block somebody, and you can check for an update as well. And if you want to log out from this application, you can just simply tap on logged out and you will be logged out. So guys, these were some of the features that you can use in Welive application. I hope you like this tutorial video. If you do so, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.